back to my channel. As I had said that I am going to continue the process of biology. So here are some points regarding the living world. So the first point, mainly it comes to the number of species that are known and described in the range of 1.7 to 1.8 million. It means 17,000 to 18,000 million species have been found till now. So there are still many more in which the scientists are finding. So the points are, these are the 4 to 5 points which are very important, and it may comes in like 2 to 5 marks in your examination, and obviously it may also come in the NEET questions also. So please try to understand and listen to carefully. The first, the process of naming the organisms is known as nomenclature. Nomenclature is the word, or the meaning of the nomenclature is something which is named. Without name we cannot find the thing, right? So the nomenclature is the process of the naming of organisms in the biology. Naming the process only in the biology, and even when we go to the chemistry also, even there you may get the nomenclature, finding the chemical names, formal names, IUPAC names, etc. Then biological names are generally in Latin and written in italics. This is why, because due to the person who cannot spell, or like it is very difficult. This Latin word is very difficult to like pronounce or the find the organism name. So they have written in italics. Keeping this in the mind, and in the exam don't write that biological names are generally written in italics, written in Latin and it is in italics. It will be totally wrong. Okay? Keeping in that mind, be careful. They are Latinized or derived from the Latin with the irrespective of the origin. As I told that Latin is the word in which we cannot pronounce it properly or early. So it is Latinized and written in italics. Okay. So coming to the second point. The first word of the biological represents the genus, while second represents the species. Always in the biology, the first word is written in genus, second will be of species. Okay? And then coming to the third point, both the words in the biological name, when handwritten, then separately underlined or printed in italics to indicate their Latin origin. This is a very important point you have to remember, in which they have been asked in the NEET also many times. If the word, the biological name is handwritten, then it is underlined separately. It's a very important. And then if also it is printed in the italics to indicate their Latin origin. As I said, Latin or italics, both are the what? Difficult. Then the first word denoting the genus starts with the capital letter. The first word which is there in the biological name, it is always written in the capital letters, and the second, which is genus, just after the this thing, genus, just after genus, species is coming, right? And then it should be written in the small letter only, not in a capital. Keep it in the mind. And then it can be illustrated with the example of Magnifera indica Linn. The Magnifera indica Linn is a biological name which is, look at here, written in italics. The Magnifera indica Linn is the word from italics. Like for example, if I show you, Magnifera, it is in a capital. Okay, now genus name is in capital. Species name is in what? Small. And then later you might get in the next page only the scientist name who have discovered the name. Even his name is also next after the species in the small letter. Hope you understand, and If you have any doubts, then you can just comment. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.